In this video, I'll show you how to schedule client check-ins without manually sending emails. If you're tired of spending hours on manual scheduling and email back and forth, this method will save you time and keep your process streamlined. Stay tuned, because I'll also share a powerful tool you can start using today, with a free trial exclusive to viewers of this channel. So, let's dive straight into how to set up client check-ins efficiently without all the hassle. The first step is to choose the right software. While there are many scheduling tools out there, not all of them automate the process the way we need. The software we'll be using in this video is designed to integrate seamlessly with your calendar and email system, eliminating manual steps. You won't have to send emails anymore or spend your day chasing clients for a slot. With this software, you can set it up once and let it do the work for you. Once you've set up your account, the next step is to create your client check-in schedule. Simply define your preferred time slots for check-ins, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This software allows you to customize the schedule so it fits your workflow perfectly. When clients book their time, it automatically syncs to your calendar, and the software will handle all notifications. Now here's the best part. Instead of sending manual reminder emails, the software automatically sends reminders to your clients before their scheduled check-ins. It takes care of follow-ups too, ensuring no one misses an appointment. You don't have to lift a finger. Your clients are always reminded of their check-in times without you sending a single email. Additionally, the software can provide your clients with a simple, easy-to-use booking page where they can select their preferred time. Once they pick a slot, it's added to your calendar in real time. This eliminates the common headache of managing schedules manually. Now, if you've ever struggled with sending out those confirmation and reminder emails, this is a game changer. The software ensures everything is automated and done for you. If you need to reschedule or adjust things, the software makes that easy as well, with automated updates sent to your clients instantly. I've tested out many of the top software solutions, but this one takes the cake for simplicity and efficiency. If you want to follow along and set this up for yourself, I've got a special deal for you. Check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Quick recap of today's tips. Choose the right software that integrates with your calendar and automates your client check-in process. Set up your schedule, let your clients pick their time, and let the software handle reminders and updates. This simple system will save you hours of email management each week. Before we close, don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description. It's exclusive to viewers of this channel and you'll be up and running in no time. Key takeaway: scheduling client check-ins doesn't need to be a time-consuming manual task. With the right software, it's automated, efficient, and hands-off. Follow the steps I shared today and you'll have more time to focus on growing your business, not managing schedules.